Someone called me, someone that I'm very much experiencing hurt from an experience that we had and shared, and offered a very genuine, sincere apology. And I'm grateful for that. I'm very grateful. I feel lighter. Peace and love, grand rising. Oh, got the early rising voice on. It is Monday, February 22nd, 2021. It's after 6 a.m. here in Florida, and I am up and about to head to the beach. I usually teach a sunrise yoga class at 6:45, but that's not happening today. I've just been doing the best that I can do. Today marks 1 year since we laid my grandmother's body to rest, and yeah, not really sure how I feel about that. So I'm gonna go out to the beach and honor her and meditate and flow out there in front of the water and just be by those healing nature or natural properties for a bit. I'll take my journal, I'll take my cards probably, and just see what flows. I just want to check in before I go. And yeah, so day 3 of 30. Here we go. I love you, Grandma. I miss you so much, so much. Well, it's after 7 a.m. I decided to do my eyebrows and my lashes and give some love to my lips. I've been feeling so sad and I haven't been really having the energy to like look pretty. I mean, I know I look pretty, but I'm saying like sometimes we dress and how we feel. And I just am giving myself permission that even if I feel sad, I don't have to look sad, if that makes sense. I might cry these lashes off at the beach, who knows? But I decided to, yeah, take the time. And I was sad that I didn't get up in time, but I don't want to beat myself up. So I did miss the sunrise at the beach, but that's okay because I still get to go to the beach and it's going to be a beautiful day. And I'm grateful. So getting ready to head out and guess we'll pick this back up at the beach. Vamos pa la playa. Let's go to the beach already. Put some sleeves on because it's kind of chilly out there. Got my beach bag, got my water, got my purse, and I got my positive attitude. Today is going to be a peaceful today. Today is going to be a peaceful day. Today is going to be a day of calm for my mental and emotional space. Today is going to be a day of clarity. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And so it is. So I made it to the beach, but as you can see, it's starting to sprinkle. And sugar melts when it gets wet, so I might wait it out in the car for a little bit. So, wasn't expecting the rain. I also didn't check the weather. I rarely do that. I just went with the flow. And, they say life is less about what happens to us and more about how we choose to respond to what happens. So, the rain is picking up and looks like I might not get out there on the beach. And that's okay. But I'm going to wait it out. And while I wait, I'm going to edit day 2 of 30, which was yesterday. And I'll be productive. And it is 1:11 p.m. and I'm still sitting in the same spot that I was sitting at when I first got to the beach and it was raining. But I just finished editing day 2 of this journey and now I'm about to head out to the beach. I am grateful for technology. I'm grateful that I have everything that I need to be able to do the things that I want. And I feel like it was purposeful for me to be still and sit here. So now I'm going to go out on the beach and just be. And yeah, let's go. Before I go, I do need to say this. I was sitting in the car working on my video, and someone called me. Someone that I'm very much experiencing hurt from an experience that we had and shared, and offered a very genuine, sincere apology. And I'm grateful for that. I'm very grateful. I feel lighter. Finally made it. So after flowing and meditating, I decided to shuffle the cards, and I pulled a few. One of the cards' numbers was 38, and I felt my intuition was leading me to turn to page 38 in this book, The Seat of the Soul, and I want to share a few messages with you. In order for the soul to become whole, it must balance its energy. It must experience the effects that it has caused. Of one thing we can be certain: a person that is engaging in violence is hurting deeply, because a healthy and balanced soul is incapable of harming another. Feelings, as we shall see, are the means through which we can discern the parts of itself that the soul seeks to heal. The road to your soul is through your heart. It's almost 6 o'clock, 6 p.m. I didn't get to catch the sunrise, but it looks like I'll catch the sunset. Nature never ceases to amaze me. I love my life. I am so grateful. I'm so blessed, divinely guided and protected. I feel much better than however the day started. You guys can see me in my beach babe hat, but the sun came and gone now. Bruh. I mean, it came and went. That's the Mississippi in me coming out. All right. I know you guys can't see it, but I came when it was daytime. I'm leaving when it's night. The cruise, the cruise. Beautiful water over here. Day 3, yes, feels better. I feel lighter. I'm grateful. This is one of my favorites. I just need you guys to see this plant-based sushi that I just picked up because I finally have an appetite after a couple of weeks. This is the Caribbean Queen from Love Life Cafe. Oh my gosh, my mouth is watering. I'm about to get into it. I can't even wait till I get home. I haven't had anything to eat all day. I did have a star fruit, but this is about to be lit. 7:54. I release this sushi into my belly.